So you've got a little roofing project of your own, you're seeking some roofing basics. In this video, I've got a little board back here I made with some various different things so I can show you from start to finish on the process for some roofing basics. So basically, we're gonna start with putting down some edge metal down, drying it in with ice and water, putting some synthetic paper on. We've got a very small valley here, some different ways we can do the valley, whether it's a close cut valley or California or Texas valley, whatever you want to call it. How to build a lead, an easy, simple trick that I do, pre-cutting the lead. It's simple. One cut gets you two pieces. So you cut one rake, you get two courses to go up. It's really easy, saves you a lot. You're not spending a lot of time, just pre-cut it. There's a simple little trick I can show you in this video for that. This will be a video series or a playlist on its own, probably roofing basics, with this little bitty board back here. I apologize, it's small, I know, but I gotta be able to fit the work truck in here because it is wintertime out right now. And I wanted to have a little more of a controlled environment so you don't see snow coming down, snot coming out of my mouth, and just a nasty mess. We're trying to basically just do roofing repair work, emergency work, estimates, until the nice weather rolls back around here in central Indiana. It's pretty cold. So on the other side of this little board, what we got here, we got a little bitty makeshift chimney. It's small, you know why, it's gotta fit in here. A pipe to flash around. We've got a little bitty makeshift wall to be able to run step flash up. Got the top cut open a little bit so we can show you how to put ridge vent on, your cap and then ridge over it. Oh, let's see what else we got. How to do edge metal up on the sides. I haven't screwed this to it yet, so I can move it whether you've got a small section on both sides or if I fasten it here, how you get a gable edge coming down and how to lap your pieces of edge metal on it so they lap right. Like I said, it's just a small board because it's got to fit in here. It's intended to give you some of the roofing basics. Not every house is the same, but the basics should be about the same. Various little different things. So I hope the video helps you. If it did, give it a thumbs up. If you found something beneficial, a little tip and trick in this, just let us know. Consider subscribing so you don't miss the next video when it's out. When you hit the subscribe button, ring the bell off to the side so you're notified when they're uploaded for you. Until next time, be safe. See you then, and Happy New Year's.